Let's look at this exam question together. We have David's dad is 5 times as old as his son David. What is the difference between their ages if the sum of their ages is 72? You're all welcome to my channel. Now, looking at this question, let's explain it. You find out that we have two relationships here. What is the first one? That is, David's dad is 5 times the age of his son David, right? And the second relationship here will be the total of their ages, which is 72. Now let's solve this equation on the board. Solution. Let's assume that the son's age, which is David, is X. So we are going to have David's age will be what? X. That is step 1. David's age is X. And now, step 2 is going to be the dad's age. That's David's dad will now be what? 5x. Remember, we were told 5 times David's age. That's equation. That's step 2, sorry. We're told that the age is what? 5 times of David's age. So it's 5 times x, which is 5x. So now we are also going to have our step 3 to now be David's dad's age. We have x plus 5x. We give us the sum, which is 72, right? X plus 5x will give us 72, which is the sum. And now for us to solve for x, we are going to have x equals to, we are going to add x plus 5x to give us, we're going to have x plus 5x, which is 6, will give us what? 6x, right? 6x, we are now going to have x will be 72 divided by 6, because here we have collected our like times to be 6x, which is 72. X will give us what? 72 divided by 6. And x, who is x? The son's age, right? So that is what we are looking for. Remember, we replace the son's age with x. So 6 going here will give us 1. 6 going into 7 will be 1 remainder 1. You add it here to be 12. 6 going into 12 will give us what? 2. So that means x will give us 12. X is what? 12. And what is the sum of the ages? We have what? 72. So we are going to have 72 take away the son's age. We give us the father's age, which is 60. Which is what? 60. So now the question here says, what is the difference between their ages? Now, if the father's age is 60 and the son's age is 12, the difference is going to be 60 take away 12, which will give us what? 48. Therefore, the difference between the two ages is 48. Hope you learned something. I'm also going to give you the one that will keep you busy, and I want to see the answers in the comments. Now, this one is the one I want you to attempt. I will be in the comments. A man is 4 times as old as his son. Find the sum of their ages if the difference between them is 36. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Please give us a thumbs up in the comments, share and also like our channel. Bye-bye.